We have a team of experienced fitters who have been with us for a long time, and as their reviews would testify, their standard of work is of very high quality. It's mainly domestic work that we do, although we do take on commercial contracts. We have done quite a few big contracts recently. The majority of our work comes from word of mouth, really, although we do get a lot of repeat customers. People who call us back when they move house, or if they build extensions, or even builders, and we just go do the work. And that's what we've done for years. So we have built up a good base there.